Beautiful. You guys are awesome. What do we say? Kindergarten, what do you say?
Thank you!
Alright, great job, guys.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Thank you. Alright, look at the bus. Alright, you guys have to agree with that.
Let me show you what we, you know what, we can walk
Can I just turn on that?
Down so he can hold it. So now it's down. So now he can hold something like if he gets a big dump truck that has a lot of weight in it, you know, if it's full of rocks or something, it gets really heavy. And then he has to put that down so he can haul it. Going? The cane? Well, those are the cables. And those are the hooks for it. Well, you guys want to see how high that boom will go? Hey, Sean. Yeah. Can you grab me the remote and show me how high the boom goes? Yeah. All right. Go ahead, Hank.
That was Rewind!
Come on. You can come this. Oh, okay.
See, don't you want to climb up there and see what it looks like?
Yeah, it was awesome!
See? Let's see it.
Wow.
Climb up in one?
It's gonna be like crazy!
Alright, let's get a good one.
Yeah.
Good job.
This is part of it.
It's my horn more than I do. I don't know about that. So what this one does, you can haul anything from that big monster truck on it. So we get giant cars, maybe whatever your mom and dad might drive, we haul that. So it's a lot of things go on a rollback. A rollback can haul stuff that's real low profile. Depends on where it's going from. Okay. So, my name's Sean. I'm Rowan's dad. You guys probably know. This is Sean here, and this is Steve over here. He's like taking pictures and using his camera, so he films all sorts of stuff for us that we do. But we get to do all sorts of cool things with tow trucks. So we're kind of like you guys. We're kind of like kids, but we're big kids. We got big toys. Okay? Does that make sense to you? All right. So when you guys got your little toys that you play with, we get to go out and play with our big toys. So Sean gets things that he tows big stuff. So he tows like tractor trailers, school buses, garbage trucks. Did you guys see the big power truck out front? If he breaks down, then Sean goes out and tows them. So anything is a big truck, that's what he gets to go out and do. So that's why he has so many wheels on his truck, because he has to be able to hold the weight. So if he gets something really heavy, he's got that third wheel that'll actually come down so he can hold it. Because he only uses it when he needs it. So hold on, just wait. Antoine, is that right? Antoine, just wait a second. Anton, I'm sorry. Anton. electric pusher, run washers, okay? So he gets to haul all sorts of heavy stuff, and the thing around town is it's a tight area, so he's got to negotiate all the tight turns and corners, so he's got a tough time when he starts going around town. A lot of guys do it on the interstate. You know, you're going on a trip somewhere, and you go on the interstate, and you see all sorts of big tractor trailers. What's easier on the big roads to tow stuff like that, but when you get into town, you got little roads, he has a tough time with it, so, not a tough time, but he has problems. So, the other thing we do with this is sometimes we have to lift things. We had a car that they were putting their